A judge has ruled an Oregon law that helped people pay for abortions is unconstitutional. Alma McCarty joins us now. Alma, you spoke with the pro-life group that won the legal fight and state leaders tonight. But first, tell us a little bit more about this law.
Yeah, Christine, as first reported in the Oregonian, the law in question is the Oregon Reproductive Health Equity Act. Oregon Right to Life sued the state over a portion of it, which mandates employer-provided health insurance plans cover abortion and contraception at no cost.
From the beginning, we have argued that the legislature enacted an unconstitutional law that violated the rights of pro-life Oregonians.
And on Tuesday, Lois Anderson, executive director of Right to Life Oregon, called the ruling by a federal judge in Eugene a success, that the Reproductive Health Equity Act cannot be applied to the nonprofit advocacy group, finding that it violates its religious freedom under the First Amendment.
The law basically said, you, Oregon Right to Life, you are a pro-life organization. The sole purpose of your existence is to fight for the protection of the unborn, to limit abortion. You have to include abortion coverage in your health insurance plans that you provide for your employees.
As to whether this ruling could apply more broadly than the one nonprofit, that will be made more clear in the yet-to-be-released written opinion.
The First Amendment's protection of religious freedom is bedrock. It's essential to the understanding of freedom in our country, and today's announcement by the judge confirms that.
Meantime, some state leaders see the ruling in a different light. The governor stating that for nearly a decade, this law has meant that Oregonians with private insurance can get the care they need without cost barriers. And Attorney General Rayfield vowing to defend abortion access and appeal this decision.
Whenever we have legislators or judges trying to make decisions about nuanced, sensitive health care, it hurts all of us.
Dr. Maria Isabel Rodriguez, director of the Center for Women's Health at OHSU, says her immediate reaction to the ruling was disappointment and shock.
So it's not enough to have clinics and hospitals in Oregon where there's people like myself willing and able to provide safe abortion care. We also need to have it be financially covered, because if it's not financially available or covered by your insurance, it's out of reach for the vast majority of people.
Still a lot up in the air, especially in regard to the impact of the ruling. The governor's office stressed this evening that the ruling has no effect on coverage today. Christine?
I appreciate your reporting on this, Alma. Thank you.